In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in ActiveCampaign. Tags are a fantastic way to organize and categorize your contacts, giving you greater control and flexibility in managing your communications and marketing efforts. So, let's dive right into the process and see how easily and efficiently you can set up tags. First, you want to begin by directing your attention to the left panel of your ActiveCampaign dashboard. Look for the section labeled Contacts. This is where you'll manage everything related to your contact list. By clicking on Contacts, you open up a host of options designed to help you keep track of your communication with leads, customers, and more. Once you're in the Contacts section, the next step is to move your eyes over to the newly revealed list and select Tags. This option is crucial because it takes you to the hub where all your tagging activities will be managed. Tags are essentially labels that help you define and segment your contacts in meaningful ways, allowing you to tailor communications or categorize your audience based on their interactions and interests. Now that you're on the Tags page, you'll notice an Add Tag button positioned at the top right corner. Go ahead and click this button, and you're now ready to start creating your tags. This feature is extremely useful, especially if you have a variety of contact types or campaigns that require more personalized messaging. Here comes the fun part. You can now add as many tags as you like. Simply type them in, and there are two ways you can separate each tag. One method is using a comma. Alternatively, if you prefer to visualize each tag on a separate line for clarity, simply hit the Enter key, and each line will translate into its own individual tag. This flexibility in tag creation helps you better organize your contacts according to your specific criteria. Once you've added all the tags you need, the next step is to save your efforts. Look for the Save button, and with a single click, your tags are stored and ready to employ. That's all there is to it. Straightforward, isn't it? After successfully creating your tags, you can now apply these labels to your contacts. This move will greatly enhance your ability to keep your audience segmented and organized. It's an incredibly useful feature whether you're sending targeted email campaigns or simply trying to keep track of different customer groups. And that's all there is to creating tags in ActiveCampaign. With these simple steps, you're now better equipped to manage your contacts effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on leveraging marketing tools to grow your business.